completed almost all the questions of derivative. Okay, so Yusra and Hosika, you have tried to do the questions of derivative?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Yusra, any doubt? Any doubt, Yusra?
Sir.
Yep.
This question we did in the class itself. This one, 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x.
Sorry?
This question we did it in the last class.
Okay.
It was 1 plus tan x.
1 plus tan x.
Divided by 1 minus tan x.
1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Okay. So any doubt in this? Yusra, you have a problem with this question? Yusra, my voice is audible?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Actually, I got disconnected.
No, not issue. Okay, so you have a doubt in this one?
Yeah, sir. Actually, in the second last step, I don't understand like how did we get that particular thing.
Okay. So first of all, we will take that what is the question rule. Okay. So derivative of this. So this what? Gx as it is. Differentiate fx minus fx as it is. Differentiate the gx by denominator whole square. So when we differentiate this one, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, this will give us denominator as it is. Differentiate the numerator. Numerator means 1 will give you 0 and plus sec square x minus 1 plus tan x. Differentiate the denominator. So you will get what? 0 minus sec square x by denominator square. It's mean 1 minus tan x whole square. So this will give, please open this bracket. This is 1 minus tan x into sec square x. So this will give you 1 into sec square x. Then multiply this one. This will give you minus tan x into sec square x. Okay. Then you have minus, and here you will get a minus sec square x and minus sec square x into tan x by denominator square 1 minus tan x whole square. So this is sec square x minus this is tan x into sec square x. Okay, open this bracket, you will get a plus sec square x and plus sec square x tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. This will cancel out and this will give you 2 sec square x by 1 minus tan x whole square. Okay, so Yusra, can you tell me what is the doubt?
Yes, I got it. Actually, I don't know. I was getting confused in the second last that 1 sec square x plus tan x. In that, I was getting some confusion. I don't know. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Any other doubt, Yusra?
Sir, I have doubts, but not from this chapter.
Okay, then from which one?
1 minute.
Then, Yusra, what we will do, we will discuss your doubts after the class. Okay. If the doubts are not related to this chapter, we will discuss this after our class.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Okay, Hotika, I guess you were not there in the previous class.
Yes, sir, I had an internet issue. I tried to text the sir also, but the message was not received. So
You,
I tried, but then later he sent me the link of the YouTube video of that class. So I've seen that.
okay, so you have checked all the topics?
No, sir, I couldn't check all of them. My exams were going on, so it wasn't possible for me.
Okay, Hutrika, then please check the previous video. Okay, and if you have any doubt, then let me know. We will discuss after the class.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so we have completed this chapter. Only the first principle method for 2 questions was remaining. Okay, so the question is find the derivative of find the derivative of the following of the following by first principle method. By first principle method. Okay. So the first question is y is equal to, or we can say fx is equal to exponential. Okay. Now for the exponential, we have this formula in limits. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to. Okay, we have this formula e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. Now we need to do this one. Now everyone, I guess, remember that what is the derivative? What is the formula of derivative by the first principle? Krishna?
So formula for the first principle.
Yeah, this is limit h tends to 0. Fx plus h. Okay, Krishna, you have completed the homework. Sorry, I forgot to ask you.
Sir, I was having practicals this week, so I wasn't
Okay,
able to.
okay, not issue. Okay, so we have this formula that the derivative of fx is fx plus h minus fx by h. Everyone is aware about this formula. We will apply this one in this limit h tends to 0. Here we have e to the power x, so this will become x plus h minus e to the power x by h. Okay, so this will give us that dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0. And this will give us e to the power x into e to the power h minus e to the power x by h. So this will give us the dash x. This is equal to limit h tends to 0. Okay, take common e to the power x. So this will give us e to the power h minus 1 by h. Okay, and as per this formula, we already have this formula. This is limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. We have this formula. So what will happen? This will become f dash x. This is equal to, we will put the limit over here. So this is e to the power x. This will give you limit h tends to 0, e to the power h minus 1 by h. So this will give us f dash x. This is equal to exponential into 1. Okay. So this will give us this equal to exponential e to the power x. So this is the final answer. We have already used this formula in our question. The direct formula that the derivative of exponential is again exponential, and this is the proof of this. Okay, so please note down this and confirm me. And if you have any doubt, then please let me know. Otherwise, note down this, and then we will do our last topic, that is a derivative of log x.
Done, sir.
Okay, Krishna, good. Both people are used to this time.
Just a second, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, Hotvika, very good.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so this is our first formula. Second, we have this one, fx is equal to log x. Okay, and we have discussed in our previous class, and if there is nothing here, then this means natural log and its basis e. Now for the log, we have in the limits, we have this formula limit x tends to 0. Okay, then log 1 plus x by x, this is equal to 1. We have this formula in limits. Okay, so what happens if there is 1 plus this any variable by the same variable, then it will give us 1. So what happens sometime if we have x by 2 here and we have x by 2, then also we will get 1. So the thing is these two should be same and this should be tends to 0. Okay, if there's anything 3, 400, anything, but these two are same and x tends to 0, then we can use the same formula and it will give us 1 only. So for the limits, in case of log, we have this formula. Now, again, we have this one limit h tends to 0. Okay, fx plus h minus fx by h. Now the derivative of this is equal to limit h tends to 0, x plus h. Okay, x plus h means log x plus h minus log x by h. Now, in case of log, we have one more property that suppose we have a log a minus log b. In case of log, if we have this one log a minus log b, then this is equal to log a by b. Okay. Further details on log we can do later on. And we have one more formula. Log a into log b. This is equal to log a into b. Sorry. If we have log a plus log b, log a plus log b, then this is equal to log a into b. So if we have a subtraction, we have a division here. If we have a addition, then we have a multiplication here. Now, dash x, this is equal to, okay, so this is equal to limit h tends to 0, and this will give you, we will divide these two. So this will give you x plus h by x by h. Okay, by using this property that these two are in subtraction, that's why this will give you log a by b. So we get this one. Now, this is equal to limit h tends to 0 log 1 plus, and this will give you h by x. Okay. Here we have put only x, h, and here we have a h by x. So what I mean in the denominator also we need h by x. And what we will do, we will divide and multiply this with x because we need to apply the formula. These two should be same. So we are multiply and divide with x. Now here the limit is for h only. Okay, the limit is h tends to 0. That's why we can move this x from here. We can write outside the limit because the limit is for h only. So we get limit h tends to 0. We have this log 1 plus h by x, 1 plus h by x by h by x. Okay, dash x is equal to 1 by x. Okay, now put this limit. So as per our formula, as per this formula, we will get a 1. So finally, the derivative of this will give us 1 by x. This is clear? Krishna, Yusra, Bodhvika?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then please note down this, confirm me, then we will start the new chapter. Now the next chapter is Trigo.
Done, sir.
Very good. And Yusra and Hopika, please let me know once this is done.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. Hopika, this done.
Done, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, then this chapter is completed, derivative, okay, and now only two chapters are remaining, linear inequation and this one, trigonometry. So we will start the trigonometry. Trigo is a very lengthy chapter, okay, it will take a lot of time. Okay, when you have your final exams?
So 17th March.
17 March, okay. Utvika?
17th March, sir.
Same. Okay, Krishna?
It's the same one, sir.
Same
date.
one. Okay, same date. So today is 26, 26, 27th, and then 5 and 6th. 5th and 6th, and so we have just the time till 13th. Okay, then we will increase our duration. Okay, we will do 2-hour class and try to complete our syllabus till 13th. Okay. Okay, then. So we will start with the derivative. Just give me a minute. Okay, so next is trigonometry. We will take the definition. You already know about this. Trigonometry is that branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of side and angle of a triangle. Okay, so it is that branch of mathematics which deals with measurement of side and angle of a triangle. So everything in trigonometry deals with the side, are related to the side and angles of a triangle. Okay. Angle measurement system. Till 10th class, till class 10, you have measured the angle in degree only. Okay, till class 10, you have measured the angle only in degree. Now in class 11th, we have one more unit to measure the angle, that is radian. So here we will study two system of measurement of angle. First is this one. Now here, measurement of angle is degree. This system we will study about the degree. So there is not any requirement to do the details of degree because you're already aware about the degree. Okay, so what is a 1 degree? One right angle is divided into 90 equal parts and each part is called 1 degree. So what does this mean? Just give me a minute. So if we have this 90 degree, okay, and if we divide this into 90 parts, 90 degree, if we divide this into 90 parts and so on, then each part is called the 1 degree. Okay, this is a simple logic. There's nothing in detail about this one. Okay. Now next is, there is one more smaller unit other than degree. Okay, that is a minute. So 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Now what is a minute? If we divide a degree into 60 equal parts, then each part is 1 minute. Okay. Now, each degree is divided into 60 equal parts and each part is called 1 minute. So if we have a degree, for example, we have just 1 degree and we divide this into 60 equal parts, then each one part is called the 1 minute. Okay, so that means 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. This clear, Bhautika, Krishna and Yusra, this relation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then we have one more unit other than this one. minute, that is a 60, sorry, seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We can define this. Each minute is divided into 60 equal parts and each part is called a 1 second. So there's no need to learn all the definition. What we need, we just need this relation that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. We need this relation that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, we just need only these two relations. Any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay, then please note down this and confirm me. Then we will start the second one, that is the radian. Okay.
Done, sir.
So very good. Kriti and Hotika, this done.
Done. Sir.
Okay, good. Hotika, this done.
1 second, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now this done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, okay, good. Now next one. Next, the second system of measurement is circular measurement or radian measurement. Okay. In this system, the unit of measurement is radian. So basically, we need to do two units. First is degree, and second is the radian. Okay. So about the degree, we have already discussed, and we have other units in degree, for example, minutes and second. Now we will discuss about the radian. Okay. So what is a radian? 1 radian is a measure of an angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of length equal to the radius of the circle. Okay, so what does this mean? We have the circle. Okay, and suppose the length of the radius is 10 units. Suppose we have an arc, like this is AB, and this subtend an angle at the center, let this be theta, and the length of this arc is theta. Now, what is a 1 radian? It is a measure of an angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of length equal to the radius of the circle. So that means if this arc is equal to the radius of the circle, if this arc is equal to the radius of the circle, then the angle subtended at the center will be 1 radian. Okay, so when we will say that the angle is 1 radian, when the length of the arc is equal to the radius of the circle. For example, if we have this circle and suppose we have this circle, and here we will say that the radius is 5 and the arc is also 5. Then the angle subtended at the center by this arc. Hotvika, can you tell me what is this angle in radian? Hotvika, can you tell me what is the angle in radian at the center? Krishna?
So 1 radian.
1 radian. Okay, when we will say that the angle at the center is 1 radian, when the length of the arc is equal to the radius of the circle. If these two are equal, the length and radius is equal, then we will say that the angle is 1 radian. Okay. Suppose we have this circle, this has the radius r, and we have an arc, let this be AB, and this is also r. Then, Yusra, can you tell me what is the angle at the center?
180.
1 radian. Okay, so this is 1 radian. I hope this definition is clear to all. So please note down this definition, confirm me. Then we will check the relationship between the radian and the degree. Then we will do some questions. Please note down this definition. Note down, you can draw any of these figure. Okay, only one figure is sufficient. Please note down the definition, draw the figure, and confirm me. Then we will start next topic.
Done.
Okay, okay, good.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Now we will check the next one. Yes. Our next topic is relation between degree and radian. Okay, so we have checked that what is a degree, what is a 1 degree. We have checked what is a 1 radian. Now we will find out the relation between these two. Okay, so suppose we have this circle. Okay, and we have this radius. Let this be O. This is O. This is A. This B. Suppose this radius is 1 unit and the arc having the length 1 unit. Okay, Uthika, can you tell me what is the angle at the center in radian? Uthika, what is the angle at the center? Yusra?
180.
180. Okay, now degree is Uthika, good. Degree is denoted by this sign. Okay, and what about the radian? In most of the books, whenever they will give you the radian, they do not give any symbol. If no sign is there, then that means the angle is in radian in most of the books. Otherwise, a symbol is C. But in most of the books, you will find that they do not give any symbol. So whenever you have an angle and there is no sign over there, then please take it as in radian. Okay. Okay. So we were discussing that if we have a circle having the radius of 1 and the arc of length 1, then the angle will be 1. Now what happens if we will increase this arc? Then definitely this angle will increase. If we will increase this arc up to 2, then this angle will become 2. Because the radius is fixed, radius is 1, we keep on increasing the arc. So if we will increase this up to 3, this angle will become 3. If we will increase this up to 4, angle become 4, and so on. So if we increase the arc up to here, let this be point C, this complete one. Okay, so first of all, we will find the length of this arc. Anyone can tell me what is this AC?
It's a diameter.
AC. Yes, that's correct. This is the diameter, but we are talking about this one, arc AC.
It's a hemisphere. The curve.
Semicircle. Okay. There's a semicircle. So what is the circumference of a circle?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. Very good. 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle. Now this is the semicircle. What is the perimeter we can say? We can say what is the length of this one? Anyone can tell me now?
The circumference of the hemisphere of the semicircle.
Of this semicircle. Okay.
Pi
So pi r, very good.
R plus L.
No. We are not talking about this. We are talking just about this one. Okay, this one. So this complete have the circumference 2 pi r, and this is the half of this. So this become what? Pi r. Any doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
Hotvika, this clear? Hotvika, this clear? Please reply me in the chat box. Okay, very good. So we need this length, this one. Okay. So what's the length of this? Pi r. What's the radius? 1. So this length we will get pi. So this AC, this is equal to pi. Okay, pi units. Now, we were talking about this when the length is 1, radius is 1, we have a angle 1. We increase this to 2, this become 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. If we increase up to here or to C, so the length is pi, that's why the angle will become pi. So what is this angle in radian? This is pi radian. Okay. Yeah, this is pi radian. I will write here pi radian. Okay. Now, anyone can tell me what is this angle in degree?
180 degrees.
180 degree. And in radian, we have this angle which is pi radian. So that means pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So this is the relation between the radian and the degree. Okay. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Whenever we need to convert the degree into radian or radian to degree, we will use this relation. Okay. So please draw the circle. There's no need to mark all the points. Just write A, just write C, O, mark this as pi, and this one, and so. Okay. And just note on this, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Please note on this, confirm me, then we will do the continue this topic.
Done, sir.
Krishna, Hotvika,
Yes.
this. Okay. Okay, so we have this relation. We can write it like this, that 180 degrees is equal to pi radian. I hope no one have a doubt in this. Okay, now we need to convert. We will get a question of two types. First is convert the degree into radian and radian into degree. Okay, so whenever we need to convert a degree into radian, this is radian. Okay, 180 degrees equal to pi radian. So whenever we need to convert a degree into radian, we will use this relation. There's nothing new. For example, 10 pen cost rupees 50. What's the cost of 1 pen? What's the cost of 1 pen?
5.
50 divided by 10.
5. Okay. 50 divided by 5. Sorry, 50 divided by 10. Now, similarly, 180 degree is equal to pi radian. So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 degree. Okay. So we will use this relation. Now, for example, if they will ask you to convert 30 degree into, there's no need to note down all this. Okay. If they will ask you to convert 30 degree into radian, then how you will do, I will write here. Okay. If they will ask you to convert 30 degree into radian, then what you will do, you will write 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 degree. Okay, this unit is in radian. There's no symbol here, so that means this is radian. So 1 degree is equal to this. So 30 degree is equal to what? We will multiply this pi by 180 degree into 30 degree. You will cancel out this one. So you will get a pi by 6. So this is a way of converting a degree into a radian. This clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So we will use this relation when we need to convert a degree into radian. Okay. After this, if we need to convert a radian into degree, we will do the opposite. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. That's why 1 radian is equal to what? 180 degree by pi. So we have just done nothing. We have divided this with pi. So what's the use of this formula? Whenever we need to convert a radian into degree, we will use this one. Okay. This example I will tell you later on. Please note down this, only this one. Okay. Confirm me. Then we will try some questions.
Done,
Done,
sir.
sir.
Okay, very good. Vidya, this time I got your message. Good. Okay, next. You need to find the radian measure for the following measurement. Okay, so this angle is in degree. You need to convert this into do one thing before this. Please tell me this answer. Okay, first we'll do some simple questions. 60 degree, convert this into radian. Then we have a 90 degree. Third, we have a 180. Fourth, we have a 45. And fifth, we have 120 degree. Okay, please try this question and share your answer.
So should we send you the answer in the chat box?
Yes, please. Okay, you can tell me. Please complete all the questions. Okay, and tell me directly the answer. There's no need to write down. Okay, Krishna, you get the answer. So this is why very good. That's correct. Next is correct. Next is okay. Very good, Krishna. This good. No, that's not correct. Because the first answer is 5/3. Utrika, please check the calculation, and if you have any doubts, then please let me know. Okay? And Yusra, if you have completed, then you can tell me the answers.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay. Okay. Yusra, will you please type it first? Utrika and
Sure,
Yusra.
sir.
Okay. Thank you. Utrika, first of all, please share the first answer. Good, Yusra. This is correct. Good. Good. That's correct. Good. Good. Very good. That's good. Good, Yusra. Utvika, you have completed the first one. Utvika, you have completed the first one. Okay, what's the answer? Utvika? What is the first answer? Utvika, very good. That's correct. What's the second one? Utvika, what is the second answer? Very good. Utvika, tell me the third answer. Utvika, third, I guess it is already there in the formula that 180 degrees equal to phi. Okay. Okay, Utvika, my voice is audible. Okay, these were the fourth and fifth. Okay, and here your answer. Okay, okay. Utvika, this is a very simple question. 45 degrees. So you just need to multiply 5 by 180 into 45. Okay. So 4, you will get a factor of 4. Similarly, 120 degrees. So 5 by 180 into 120. So 6362. So you get a 2 pi by 3. Okay, Utvika, this clear? Okay, very good. And please note on this and start this question. The first one, 340 degrees. Okay. Krishna, you stand once again. Start the first question and here your answer. Okay, Krishna, Yusra, your answer is correct. Okay, Hutzika, sorry, earlier you have completed this one. Okay, Hutzika, you have already completed the first one. Please start the second. Please do this question, 75 degree. Very good, Krishna. This is very good. Good, Yusra. This is correct. What figure this one? The second one? Very good. This is correct. Okay. So we will then do next type of question. So we will discuss this. First of all, tell me that convert this 2 degree into minutes. Please tell me the answer. Convert 2 degree into minutes. Anyone can tell me the answer? You already know the relation between the degree and the minutes. Very good, Krishna. Very good. Very good. Yusra. Pothika. Convert this 2 degree into minutes. So, Pothika, what is the answer? Pothika, what is the answer of this? This is a very simple question. Okay, if you have any doubts, then please let me know. Okay, we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 2 degrees equal to what? 60 into 2, which will give you 120 minutes. 120 minutes. Okay. Okay, now suppose we have 30 minutes. Please convert this into degree. We have a 30 minutes. So please convert this into degree. Good. Yes, Ryan Hotika. Convert this into degree. No, not correct. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so this means the degrees are bigger unit. You need to convert this minute into degree. So what we will do, we will divide this with 60. Okay, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. For example, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So suppose you have a 200 centimeter. You need to convert this into meter. Then you will divide with 100. You will get a 2 meter. Similarly, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So if we need to convert this into degree, we will divide this with 60. So what answer you will get? 1 by 2. And this is a degree. Okay. So this clear to everyone. This clear? Yusra, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then please convert this 3 minutes into seconds. You already have the relation. Okay. On the first page, you have the relation between the minutes and the second. Please convert this 3 minutes into seconds. Very good. Krishna, this correct. Yusra and Ruthika, please tell me the answer. Convert this 3 minutes into seconds. Good. Ruthika, that's correct. Yusra, what's the answer?
So I sent the answer.
So 3 minutes into. Very good. There's 180 seconds. Very good. Now suppose if we have this question, we have a 10 degree and 10 degree, okay, and 30 minutes. We have this question, 10 degree, 30 minutes. And they ask you to convert this into radian. We have a 10 degree, 30 minutes. We need to convert this into radian. So we know the formula to convert a degree into radian, but what about the second? So in these types of question, please change all the units into degree. So how we will do, this means what? 10 degree plus 30 minutes. So convert this 30 minutes into degree. You will get what? 30 by 60. We will divide this. You will get a degree. So 10 degree plus 1 by 2 degree. And okay, don't convert this into decimal. Please keep it in fraction form. So it will give you 21 by 2 degree. This is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then please try this question. Okay. So first of all, convert this completely into degree, and then you know how to convert into radian. Okay, and what this negative, I will tell you in the later classes. Okay, that what this negative angle represent. So just keep a bracket, just put a bracket and keep this negative outside of the bracket. Okay, everything is fine. Hey, sorry, I missed your answer. So final answer is minus 5 pi by 24. 5 pi by 24. 5 pi by yes, yes. Bothvika, your answer is correct. Krishna, can you take what the mistake you have done? It is 5 pi by 24. Okay, minus 5 pi. And Yusra, please check. Yusra, why 75 by? Okay, 75 by 2 degree. Okay, so you have Yusra, you have converted the complete one into degree. So this is okay, 75 by 2 degree. Now convert the 75 by 2 degree into radian as you have done in the previous questions. And Krishna, please check what the mistake you are doing. Krishna, this is 37 degree, but there is a 30 minutes. So first of all, please convert this into minutes, sorry, into degree, as we have done in this question. Then finally convert it into radian. Krishna and Yusra, this is clear?
So we should consider the minus 37, like minus.
Just put a bracket and keep it outside the bracket. So every calculation we will do inside this bracket. And the final answer also you need to write like this, negative, and whatever the radian you are getting. Very good, Yusra. This is correct. Okay. And what is the significance of negative? This we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Good, Yusra. Very good. That's good. Please try this question. Okay. Here you have a minute as well as second. So what you need to do, first of all, convert this. This means what? 5 degree plus 37 minutes plus 30 seconds. Okay. So first of all, convert this into minutes and add in this. After this, completing the change the complete into degree, add in this. Then finally, convert it into the radian. Okay. So first of all, share your answer in degree only so that I can check that this is correct or not. Please convert this complete into a degree. Please let me know if anyone have a doubt in this.
So we should send the answer first in degrees.
Yes. Please tell me first answer in degree. After that. Very good, Krishna. That's correct. Now please convert this into radian. Okay. And similarly, Yusra and Hotika, first of all, share your answer in degree. No, Yusra, that's not correct. No. Yusra, 30 seconds. If you will convert this into minutes, you will get a 1/2. Yeah, right here, 1/2 plus 37. This is in minute, this is in minute. Add these two. After that, convert that into a degree. Okay. So 5 degree plus this will become 75/2. Okay. 75/2 minutes. Now convert this into degree. So this will give you 5 degree plus 75/2 into 60. This will give you good, Krishna. Okay, so this is 8, 5, 40, 5 by 8. 45 I'm writing here. 45 degree by 8. Okay, Yusra and Hotika, are you both getting the same answer? 45 degree by 8. Sorry, 45 by 8 degree.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now please convert this into radian and share your answer. Krishna, very good. This is the last question of this type, okay? Yusra, this is not correct. No. Please check the calculation. You are doing some mistake. Putwika, please always give the answer in fraction, okay? There's no need to convert this into decimal. So you are getting a 45 by 8 into pi by 180. Okay, cancel out this. 593. Okay, and there's 6, and 91, there's 4. So this will give you pi by 32. Okay, you should cancel out this 5 and 16. Okay, so you will get a pi by 32. So the answer of this is pi by 32. There's no need to convert this into decimal. Always write in fraction only. Okay, great. Yusra, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will start the next type of questions where we need to convert the radian into degree. These are very simple questions. You can do these on your own. We will start with this one. So before that, we will check how can we do that. We already have this relation. Okay, you remember that we have written like this: 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. So suppose we have a pi by 3. This is in radian because I have not mentioned any sign here. So this means this is in radian. I need to convert this into degree. Then I will multiply this with 180 degree by pi. 1 radian is equal to this one. Pi by 3 radian is equal to what? I will multiply this pi by 3 with 180 degree by pi. So this pi cancel out. 180 by 3, this will give you a 60 degree. This correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Putvika, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. There's no need to note down that question. Okay, please start this one. 2 pi by 15 radian, please share your answer. Krishna, very good. That's correct. Yusra, Putvika, please share your answer if this is completed.
I'm doing so.
Okay. Very good, Yusra. This is correct. Yes, Hutrika, this is correct. Next start, please this one. Pi by 8 radian. Convert this into degree. No, very good. That's correct. But in degree, if you are getting an answer in fraction, then we will not convert that into a decimal. Okay, we will convert that into further minutes and seconds. Okay, so I will tell you how to do that. Okay, and so Yusra, you are correct. This answer is okay, but we will see that how can we convert this into further minutes and seconds. Okay, Hutaka, please share your answer if you have completed this one. Yes, yes, Latika. So never write the answer in decimals. Okay, so you all are getting the answer in 45 by 2 degree. Okay, Latika, you are also getting the same answer. So always remember in degree, whenever you are converting into a degree and you are getting a fraction, then we will convert that into minute and second. Okay, now how to do that? Write like this: 45. Divide this with 2. Okay. In radian, there is no issue. Just write the answer in fraction, which we have already done. In degree, if you are getting answer in fraction, then convert this into a mixed fraction. You already know this. Okay, in the junior classes, you have completed this one. So remainder is 1. How can we convert this into a mixed fraction? Right here to this one right here, 22 right here. Any doubt till now? Anyone have a doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Krishna.
No doubts, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what you need to do, convert this into a mixed fraction. Then this integral part, separate this. Write this as 22 degree. Okay. And this is the fractional part. Convert the fractional part into further smaller unit, that is a minute in this case. Okay. What you need to do, separate the integral part and this fractional part, convert that into minutes. So we need to multiply this with 60. This is equal to 22 degree. We will cancel out these two. We will get a 30 seconds. This clear to everyone?
So 30
Yes,
minutes.
sir.
Sir.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Hudika, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me one thing. If we are converting this into minutes, and again we are getting a fraction. Suppose if there is a question and we are getting again a fraction. For example, here we get a 1 by 2 minutes. Then what we will do?
Convert it into seconds.
Yep. Okay. Suppose we are getting here, for example, if we are getting here 33 by 2 minutes, then what we will do, again we will convert this into a mixed fraction. We will remove the, for example, if we are getting this, what we will do, we will divide this with 2. Okay, so this 3 12 remainder is 1. We will convert this into a mixed fraction like this. Okay, we will write here 2, here 1, here 16. Again we will separate the integral part and the fractional part. We will convert that into a second. Okay, now suppose if we are converting into a second and we are again getting a mixed fraction, then we will take a we will divide that and take the approx value of that. In seconds, if you are getting a fraction, we will divide it and take the approx value. You already know how to take a approx value. Okay, so this much is clear up to question number 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And please note down this up to 30 seconds. Okay, there's no need to note down this. And start 1 by 4 radian. Okay, And if you're getting a fraction in minutes, then convert that further into seconds. Uh, 25 by pi. Okay, Hutrika then put the value of pi 22 by 7. Okay, and try to solve it.
Okay, sir.
Please let me know if anyone have a doubt in this. Okay, Hutrika, then I will help you in this case. Okay. So it is 1 by 4 radians. So how you have done this, you have multiplied this into 180 degree by pi. That means 1 by 4 into 180 degree by, put the value of pi 22 by 7. Okay, now cancel out this 2, this will give you 90. Then 2, this will give you 45. Multiply this 45 with 7, 315 by 22 degree. Okay, now this is a fraction. So first of all, we will convert this into a mixed fraction. So 315 divided with 22. So we will get 95 and 488. Okay, here we will get a 7. Okay, so we will write it like this. Remainder is 20. Sorry, there's 22. Remainder is 7, and here also we get a. Sorry, here we get a 40. Okay. Now, this complete is the degree. What we will do, we will separate the integral part. We will get a 14 degree here, And this 7 by 22, we will convert this into a minute. So we will multiply with 60. Now cancel it. 211, 230. So we will get a 14 degree into 14 degree, and in the bracket we have 210 by 11, and this is in seconds. User, very good. 14 degree in 19 minutes, 60 by 11. Okay, then 16 by 11, user, please convert this into a approx form. Please divide with 11 and write down in approx form. This is clear to Krishna and Putrika.
Sir, I have sent the answers. So can you check?
Okay, 14 degree, 19 minutes, 5 seconds. Very good, Krishna. That's correct. Very good. Putrika, this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then what we need to do, 210 divide with 11. So 111. Okay, we will get a 10. So 999, we get a 1. This again we will write in the mixed fraction. So we will write like this, 1, 1, and here we have a 19. Okay, and this is in minutes. So again, remove the fractional part, 19 minutes, and here we get a 1 by 11. Now this we will convert into seconds, so we will multiply with 60. Now again, we have a fraction here. What we will do, we will take the approx value. So this will give us 14 degree, 19 minutes, and divide with this 1150 and this. So this will give you 5 seconds. This is clear, Rutika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Yusra, please convert that 60 by 11. Okay.
Yes, sir, I've done it. I sent you the answer.
Okay, very good. Okay, so this is clear to everyone. Shall we start the next time? You can do these types of questions on your own.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rutika, shall we start next?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now the next type is based on it. These are simple questions. You can do these. You will get all these questions in the assignments. Okay. Next we have a theorem. Okay, the theorem is, if an arc of length L, this is an arc. Okay, this is the arc. This complete one AC. This have the length L. This complete arc subtend an angle theta. Okay, at the center of a circle, and this theta is in radian. We are taking this theta in radian. So if an arc of length L subtend an angle theta at the center of a circle, then theta is equal to L by R. Always remember that this theta is in radian, not in degree. So what is the theorem? If you have an arc, we'll take a new circle. Suppose we have this circle. This is the radius OP. And if we take an angle, let this point be A. If we take this arc as L, so if this arc subtend an angle theta at the center, then and the radius of the circle is R, then theta is equal to L by R. So if they give you the length of the arc, if they give you the radius of the circle, and you need to find the theta, then you always need to use this formula, theta is equal to L by R. And the answer which you will get, that will be in radian, not in degree. Always please remember, in this formula, the theta is in radian. Most of the times, what students do, they put this angle, suppose they give you the angle, they put the angle in degree and try to find out the answer. So that is absolutely incorrect. Please take this theta in radian. Okay, so this theorem is clear to you. What is
Yes.
the theorem? Both you can use it. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then please note down this theorem. Draw this circle, okay? This one. And confirm me, then we will do the proof of this theorem.
Done, sir.
Utvika, user, please confirm once this is done.
Answer.
Right. User.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, now we will do the proof of this. So the theorem is theta is equal to L by R. What is the L? L is the length of an arc. What is R? R is the radius of the circle. And when we will divide L with R, we will get a theta, and theta will always be in radian. From this formula, what the theta we will get, that will be in radian. Okay, so we will do the proof of this. Now, suppose if we take an angle, this one, we will consider this figure. Now, what is there in this? Okay, sir. Okay. Now, if we will analyze this angle, sorry, this figure, then here we have this radius R. Then we have this angle BOC. Okay, I will write R here. So anyone can tell me what is this BOC? If the length of this arc, this BC, this is R, then anyone can tell me what is the 180? This clear, Utvika? Utvika, this clear? Why this angle, this is 1 radian? Okay. Okay, now we will take one more arc, this complete, which is L, and this L subtend an angle theta at the center. Okay, now these angles are directly proportional to the arc. More the arc, more will be the angle. So angle AOC, this one, this AOC, this is directly proportional to length of this arc, which is AC. Angle BOC, this one, BOC, this is directly proportional to this arc, BC. Okay, so that means angle AOC by angle BOC is equal to AC by BC. These are the arc. Now, what is angle AOC? Angle AOC is theta. So in place of this, we will put a theta. What is angle BOC? This is 1 radian. So here we will put a 1. Now, what is AC? AC is L. And what is R? R is the radius. So theta is equal to L by R. And this complete is in radian. This clear to everyone?
So could you explain once more?
Yeah. This angle AOC, this depend on this arc, L. More the arc, more will be the angle. Okay,
Yes.
or we can say angle AOC, this is directly proportional to this L. Similarly, angle BOC, this is directly proportional to this BC. We will write L for L, we will write AC, and this is R, which is BC. So if we will divide these two, then what happens? We will get this one, AOC by angle BOC, and this is equal to L by R. This
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay. So please check here. So we have this. We will put all the values. In place of this, we have a theta. Here we have L. This is R. So theta we will get L by R. This is in radian. Not L is not in radian. R is not in radian. The theta we are getting, this is in radian. Okay. So to avoid any confusion, please note this one. Theta in radian. Okay. This is equal to L by R. Okay, note this one. And please let me know if this is clear to all of you. Yusra, are you back?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So Yusra, this formula is clear. Theta is equal to L by R.
Sir, can you please explain it once more?
Yeah, sure. So Yusra, if you will check this figure, then we have this angle AOC, and this angle AOC, this is directly proportional to length of this arc. Angle AOC is directly proportional to L. Similarly, angle BOC, this is directly proportional to R. If we divide AOC by BOC, we will get L by R. Okay, and what is AOC? AOC is theta. And what is BOC? BOC is 1. Why this is 1? Because this is radius. That's why this is 1. This clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
so we You're welcome. So finally, we have this formula, theta is equal to L by R. Okay, please note on this, theta in radian is equal to L by R. So that you will remember the theta you always need to put in right here. Please let me know once this is completed, then we will start some questions on the basis of this formula. Okay, from today's class, we will extend our timings. Please let me know once this is done.
Done, sir.
Okay, great.
Done, sir.
Okay, good. Bothika, this done? Bothika,
Yes,
got
sir.
your message?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So please try this question. You need to find the length of an arc, the radius is given, and angle is given. Okay, you already know the formula. Please put all the values in the formula, find the length of arc, and tell me the final answer. Okay. Please let me know if anyone have a doubt in this question.
So we should substitute pi value.
Yes, please put the value of pi. No, very good. That's correct. Okay, Yusra, you can share your answer if you have completed this. Good, Hotika, this is correct. Yusra, please share your answer.
Okay.
Yusra, not here. Please check your So first of all, Yusra, you need to convert this degree into radian. You have converted this one, Yusra.
Yes, sir.
So you get a pi by 12. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then theta is equal to L by R. L is equal to theta into R. Okay. So L is equal to theta. You get a pi by 12 into the radius. Radius is what? 5 centimeter. Okay. So answer is 5 pi by 12 centimeter. And then finally, you can put the value of pi and convert this into. Okay, and you can divide the terms, and you will get the answer in decimals. Okay. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Please try this. Find and decrease the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc of length 11 centimeter. Okay. Please let me know if anyone have a doubt in this question. Krishna, very good. This is good. Very good. What we can use? Yes, I will do this. Okay. Now, please tell me what is given here. Arc of length 11 centimeter. L is given with very good, Hotrika. This is correct. Center of
Okay, sir.
circle, diameter 50 centimeter. Yusra, so can we say that the radius is 25 centimeter? Yusra, this is correct? Yusra, please reply me on the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So put all the values here. 11 by 25. Okay. So the answer you will get this angle. This is in degree or radian. 11 by 25.
Radian.
Radian. Okay. Now we need to convert this. This is in radian. We need to convert this into a degree. Okay. So we will do theta is equal to 11 by 25, and then we will write 180 degree by pi. Okay. Now we'll put the value 11 by 25 into 180 degree by pi means 22 by 7. Okay. Cancel this 11 1 11 2. Okay. This 290. Cancel with this 5 5, and this will give you 1, and this will give you, you can multiply this 126 by 5. Okay. Now again write in mixed fraction form 126 5 to 10 26 by 5 25, remainder is 1. Okay, so we can write it like this 5 1, and this is 25. Okay, now this is what, this is degree 25 degree, and this 1 by 5 you can convert this into minutes, so you will get 25 degree into 12 minutes. This clear, Yusra?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. So okay, so we have completed today's topic. Now please note down the homework. Your homework is exercise 3.1. Okay, exercise 3.1 plus assignment 1. Nicholas sir will share the assignments with you. So assignment 1 plus, if you will get the time, then please check the NCERT exemplars. Okay, otherwise just do these two. NCERT exercise 13.1 3.1 and assignment 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, you have some doubts, so
Yes, sir.
please let me know. And Hudvika and Krishna, if you wish, you can drop, or if you wish, you can check that out. Okay.
Sir, can I drop, sir?
Yes, yes. If you wish.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. You're welcome. Hudvika, if you wish, okay. If you, because
I'll stay because I couldn't hear the last lecture, so I'll get it. Yeah.
okay, but Hudvika, we are just doing, we are discussing the doubts, and this is not a derivative.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. So if you
So,
wish,
can I drop, sir? Then?
yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Yes, sir. Will you please tell me the question?
Yes, sir. So, I sent Nishkar sir 3 questions yesterday.
Okay.
So yeah, I guess you sent the solution for those.
I'm sorry, I didn't send the solution because I was busy.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, not issue. So in the
So
solutions are,
yes, sir. The 2 of the solutions were clear. So in one of the solution, I wasn't really able to understand anything. So
okay.
that's
So
why.
in which question you have a doubt?
So it's not any question from the textbook. It's actually, we got a PDF from our school because tomorrow I'm having my math exam model.
Tomorrow you have an exam.
Yes, math model we have.
Okay. So
So,
actually, you're telling me that you have sent 3 questions to Nika sir. So he had shared with me. Do you have any doubt in that questions?
yes, sir. I have a doubt in that question itself.
Which one? There's a 1 of probability and 2 of 3D.
Yes, sir. That one of probability, that question number 2.
Yeah.
6 new employees, 2 of whom are married to each other. That one.
Okay, so you have a doubt in that.
Yes, sir.
Let me read that question. Yeah, so the question is 6 new employees, 2 of whom are married to each other, are to be assigned 6 tests that are lined up in a row. If the assignment of the employee to tests is made randomly, what is the probability that the married couple will have non-adjacent disk? Okay. 6 new employees, 2 of whom are married. There are 6 new employees. Two of whom are married to each other. Okay, 2 are married. Are to be assigned 6 disks, then are lined up in a row. Saying, okay, there are 6 disks, D1, D2, D3, D. If the assignment of the employee to disk is made randomly, what is the probability that the married couple will have non-adjacent disk? Okay. So what is the probability that the married couple will have non-adjacent disk? We will try in this way. First of all, we will check that we have a 6 employee, okay, and we have a 6 disk. And in how many ways this 6 disk can be assigned to the employee? First of all, for example, in probability, we have a favorable by total. Okay, so in starting, we will check the total. That in how many ways 6 employees can be assigned 6 disks. Can you tell me this one? We have done the permutation combination. Okay, so can you
Yes,
tell me
sir.
that this is a permutation question or combination?
Combination?
No, permutation.
Okay, okay.
Okay, because we have a 6 employees. Suppose
Yes,
we
sir.
have E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, and E6. Okay, and we will take this that these two are married. These two are married to each other. Okay, because in the question they are saying 2 of whom are married to each other. So we will take that these two are married. Okay, now as the setting arrangement is there, that's why there's a permutation question, because the arrangement will affect our answer. Now, total number of ways of assigning 6 disks to 6 employee. So, Yusra, what will be the answer?
So 6 factorial?
Very good. 6 factorial, perfect. Okay, because this have 6 option, this have 5 option, 3, 2, 1, this is equal to 6 factorial. Very good. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now they're saying that what is the probability married couple will have non-adjacent disk? We will do the opposite. First of all, we will find the probability that the married couple will have adjacent disk. We will find this probability and then we will subtract it. So we are finding the probability that these two have the adjacent disk. So that means wherever this E5 and E6 will sit here, for example, E5 will sit here, then E6 will sit here. So what we will do, we will take it as 1, which we have done in the alphabets. Okay, because we are finding the probability that these two will sit adjacent to each other. So we will take it as 1. Now, wherever they will go, for example, if 2, 3, and 3, 6. So for example, if it will sit here, this will sit here. So this will be the arrangement. So if they will move simultaneously. This complete will move here like this. And there is one more option that E5 and E6 will interchange their places. This we will discuss later on. Now the thing is, we will take it as a 1. Wherever they will go each other together. Sorry, they will go together.
Yes, sir.
This clear, Yusra?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay, now how many places we have? We have this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This clear? Why we have taken this as 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so our favorable will be 5 factorial. But the thing is, they can interchange their places. So in how many ways they can interchange? So either E5, E6 or E6, E5. Okay, so in how many ways they will interchange? In 2 factorial ways.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so number of ways of assigning the disk, number of ways of assigning the disk when married couple will sit together. So this is our favorable. We get 5 factorial into 2 factorial. Now the probability that couple has adjacent disk. That couple has adjacent disk. So this is equal to what? This is our favorable 5 factorial into 2 factorial by 6 factorial. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Now solve it. This 6 factorial this can be written as 5 factorial into 2 factorial by 6 into 5 factorial. This will cancel out. So we have a 2 by 6 which will give us 1 by 3. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Now next one. Probability that we need to find the probability that the married couple have non-adjacent. So can you tell me how can we solve this? We have this probability, we need to find not have non-adjacent disk. So we have this formula 1 minus
1 minus.
probability
Yes, sir.
probability of having adjacent disk. Okay, so this will give you 1 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. This clear, Yusra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the same solution which Nikhil sir has shared with you.
Yes, sir, it's the same.
Okay. Any other doubt, Yusra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in which chapter?
So same chapter.
Probability. Okay.
It's a quick long question.
Uh,
Shall I dictate?
yes, please.
Or okay, sir.
Okay,
One
one
of the 4 persons,
out of 4%
John Rita,
join
also
Rita.
copy paste it in the chat box.
Okay, yes, send it. Please share in the chat box. Yusra, are you sending the question? Yusra, are you sending the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me check. Question 1 of the 4%, John Rita Aslam of Gurpreet will be promoted next month. Consequently, the sample space consists of 4 outcomes. Okay. Gurpreet, okay, you are told that chances of John promotion is same as that of Gurpreet. Rita's chances of promotion are twice as likely as John. Aslam chances are 4 times. Determine these probabilities. Okay, this is the simple question. Okay, please check here, Yusra. The question is one of the 4%, John Rita will be promoted next month. Okay, so they have given the sample space. Now they're saying that probability, that the chances means probability. Now they're saying the chances of John promotion, probability of John promotion is same that of Gurpreet. It means this is given. Rita's chances of promotion are twice as likely as that of John. Okay. Aslam chances are 4 times that of John. Okay. So this is clear up to here.
Yes, sir.
Now we have a 4%. First of all, tell me one thing, that if I will add the probability of John with Gurpreet, with Rita, and with Aslam, then what is the sum of this probability? Can you tell me what is this sum? What is the total of probability? If we have suppose 3 outcomes, and if we add the probability of those 3 outcomes, then what is the sum? Sorry, what is the final probability you get? We will take example. We toss a coin. So what is the sample space?
T and S. T and tail and head.
Okay. Now if I add the probability of head with the probability of tail, so what will be the answer? Without any calculation, can you tell me?
So 1/2 plus 1/2.
Yeah, and that is
1.
that is 1. So the thing is, if in a probability, sorry, if you will add the probability of all the outcomes, you will always get a 1. Always remember this. Okay.
Okay.
If you have 100 outcomes, you add the probability of 100 outcomes, you will get a 1. If you have 2 outcomes in a sample space, probability of those outcomes will be 1. Here we have a 4, so probability of 4 will be this equal
1.
to what? This is equal to 1. Okay, now we need to solve it. What we will do, we will put every value in terms of any one, so that any one percent, so that finally we will get a single answer. For example, here I will write PJ. Okay, now PG, this is equal to PJ. We will write like this. R for Rita. PR is equal to twice of PJ, so we will write like this. PA is equal to 4 times of PJ. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Now add all these. 2, 4, and this is 8. 8 PJ. This is equal to what? 1. So finally you will get PJ is equal to what? 1 by 8. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you can find out this. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and in second, what they are saying, if A is equal to John promoted or Gurpreet promoted. Okay, or means what? Intersection or union?
Sorry, sir.
In the second one, the question is John promoted or Gurpreet promoted. So or means what? Union or intersection?
Or is union.
Union. So that means they're asking John promoted, union, Gurpreet promoted. They're asking this. So what's the formula? PJ, PG minus PJ intersection G. This clear? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the probability of PJ?
1 by 8.
Very good. What is PG? Again 1 by 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is meant by intersection? Common.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have 2 employees. John and next is Gurpreet. So this means common intersection of John and Gurpreet. So there is nothing common between these two. This is not like this that if John is getting promoted, then Gurpreet will also get promoted. That's not like this. Okay, so there is no relation between Gurpreet and John. There's nothing is common in between these two. This clear to you that why these two are not common?
Yes, sir.
Okay, they are two different employees. Nothing is common is there. So can you tell me what's the probability of this intersection? Yes, sir. What is this intersection if nothing is common?
So it's null set 0.
Null set, yeah, and the probability will be 0. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, but we have directly used these symbols JR. So please define that J is the event of getting John and so on.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt?
Yes, sir. I have one more doubt.
In the same chapter?
No, sir. It's from conic section.
Conic section. Okay, okay, okay. Please share your question.
Yes, sir. Sir, shall I send you like the one I sent the previous one? I'll copy it.
Is it a very lengthy question?
No, sir. It's small only.
Okay, okay. Then please tell me the question.
Okay, sir. Wait a second. Show that the set of all points
So that's the set of all the points.
such that
Such that
the difference of their distances
the difference of their distances.
yes, sir, from 4, 0
from 4, 0
and minus 4, 0
and minus 4, 0
is always equal to 2.
is always equal to 2.
Represent
Sure.
a hyperbola.
Okay, represent a hyperbola. Okay, let me think about this. Show that the set of all the points is that the difference of the distance from 4, 0 and minus 4, 0 is always equal to 2. Represent a hyperbola. So 2 fixed points are given. Basically, we need to do the derivation of hyperbola. Okay. So we will mark these 2 points. These are suppose 2 points. This is minus 4, 0. Okay, we'll take this as the origin. And we have another point 4, 0. I mark these 2 points. Show that the set of all the points. Let the points be. Assume the points be x, y. Let the point be x, y. Show that the set of all the points such that the difference of the distance from 4, 0 and minus 4, 0 is always equal to 2. So let the point A be this. Let this be B. Let this be C. Let the difference of the distance. So first of all, we'll find this distance AB. So this will give us what? Use the distance formula x plus 4 whole square plus y square. Next is AC. So this is equal to under root of x minus 4 whole square plus y square. This clear? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what they are saying that AB minus AC is equal to 2. Just put over here, this will give you x plus 4 whole square plus y square minus under root of x minus 4 whole square plus y square is equal to. Okay, so if we will do the squaring over here only, then we get a 2 root minus 2ab, we will get a 2 root and it will become very complicated. So please shift this part to the right side. You get this x plus 4 whole square plus y squared is equal to 2 plus under root of x minus 4 whole square plus y square. Now do the squaring both sides. So you get x plus 4 whole square plus y square, and this is equal to 2. Okay, here we will get a square plus b square. B square means this x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus 2ab. 2 into 2 into under root of x minus 4 whole square plus y square. This clear? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will solve this. This is x square plus b square plus 8x plus y square, and this is equal to 4 plus x square plus 16 minus 8 x minus 4 whole square plus y square. Okay, now cancel out this x square, y square, 16, 16. Only this. Now what we will do, shift this term. Remaining we get here 8x, and this is equal to 4 minus 8x. Here we have a 4 minus 8x plus and plus 4 under root of x minus 4 whole square plus y square. Okay, now solve it. Shift this 8x over here, so this will become 16x. Here we have 4 plus 4 under root of x minus 4 whole square plus y square. So shift the 4 over here, otherwise this root will not remove. Okay, under root of x minus 4 whole square plus y square. Divide this complete with 4, so you will get a 4x minus 1 is equal to under root of x minus 4 whole square plus y square. Now do the squaring of this. So you will get a 16x square plus 1 minus 8x. This is equal to x minus 4 whole square plus y square. Okay, so the 16x square plus 1 minus 8x, open this bracket. So you get x squared plus 16 minus 8x plus y square. Cancel out this. Okay, this will not cancel out. Sorry. Minus 8x cancel out. Shift this, so you will get a 15x square. Shift this one, so you get a 15 plus y square. Okay. Now they're saying that this is a hyperbola. Okay. So shift this to here. 15x square minus y square is equal to 15. Now, user, please tell me what is the standard equation of hyperbola? Do you remember x square by a square?
Yes, sir.
Minus y square by b square is equal
B
to
square is
1.
equal to 1.
Now compare with this. How can we reduce this equation to this one? Here we need a 1. So divide this complete with 15, both sides. So what we will get x square minus y square by 15 is equal to 1. Okay, now this represents a hyperbola.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what you need to do, just find the distance, let the point be this, find the distance, subtract it, equate it with 2. Now everything is fine.
So
You just
actually,
need
I
to-
got confused. I did till this the square under root square and this is equal to 2. I got confused while squaring both the parts. I didn't do
Yes.
it as a plus b the whole square. That
Yes,
is where I was doing the mistake.
Yes, sometimes what students do, they do the squaring here only. So in minus 2ab, they get a double root and it is very difficult to solve that. So always shift, if you have two roots, shift one root to the other side.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Any other doubt, Mr.?
Yes, sir.
Okay. From which chapter?
So same chapter.
Okay.
So this one, if the lattice rectum
If the lattice rectum,
of an ellipse
if the lattice rectum of an ellipse
is equal to half of the minor axis,
is equal to half of minor axis is equal to minor axis. Okay.
then find the eccentricity.
Then find the eccentricity.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me all the formulas. First of all, what is the lattice length of lattice vector of an ellipse? Can you tell me the formula?
So 4A.
No. For ellipse.
So 2B squared by A is for hyperbola, right?
For even for ellipse, this is same length of
Okay,
lattice
sir.
vector. Okay. Okay. We get this is equal to half of minor axis. So in this ellipse, what we have taken as minor axis? B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that means length is equal to 2b squared by a. This is equal to b by 2. Let this be first. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is eccentricity?
Eccentricity is C by A.
C by, very good. Now, in an ellipse, if you, I will draw the ellipse. Okay. Then you have this A, you have this B. Okay. Now, what's the relation between A, B, and C?
A square is equal to B square plus C
Very,
square.
very good. Okay, because A is greater, that's why we have this relation. Okay, now from we have this one, we need eccentricity, that means we need C by A. Now here, if we will cancel these B, then we will get a 2B by A is equal to half, and we will get A is equal to 4B. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what we will do, we will put this A is equal to 4B. Just let me think. Is equal to
So I
half
saw one more
is
formula
equal
for
to half of,
eccentricity.
just give him it, please.
Yes.
Yeah. They're saying this is equal to half of minor axis. Okay, so minor axis is what?
Minor
What is
axis
the
is 2B.
length of? Yeah, that is 2b. Okay, so we will write here 2. Okay, so 2 will cancel out, and then we will get a is equal to 2. This one is equal to 2. Yes, Chitra. What you're saying?
So I saw one more formula for eccentricity.
Yep.
It was E square is equal to 1 minus A square by B square.
For
Like,
eccentricity,
yeah, so
is E is equal to
1 minus
1 minus
A square by B square.
A square by B square.
Yes, B square.
Okay, if we will check that, what is A 1 minus A square? Is it not, is it 1 minus this or this one? 1 or 2?
Yes, sir, the second one.
Second one. No? Here we will get this one. Take LCM, B square, so you will get a B square minus A square. So from this equation, what is B square minus A square? I guess there is some mistake. Is it correct, or is this B square by A square?
So actually the first formula was B square is equal to A
if you will
minus E square, sorry, B square is equal to A square into the whole 1 minus E square.
Actually, we have this one, E is equal to C by A. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
this, they can put anything over here. So for example, in place of C, they can put A square minus B square under root of A square minus B square by A. Okay, and user, this should be E square then. Okay, otherwise there should be a root. So from
Yes, sir,
here,
it's E square.
E square, yeah. So if we put a square here, we will get A square minus B square by A square. Okay, so E square is equal to If you will divide this, you will get 1 b square by a square. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there's no need to learn so many of these formulas. Just remember a basic formula C by and this relation. Now, whatever the questions you are getting, you can put in these relation and try to solve it. Okay, so we get this A is equal to twice of B. Now we have this relation E is equal to C by, we have this, so we need C. What's the relation? A square is equal to B square plus C square. So in place of A, we can put 2 whole square is equal to B square plus C square. Shift this 4B square minus B square is equal to C square. So here we will get 3B square is equal to C square. So C we will get root 3B is equal to C. Okay, sir. You have C, you have A. Now can you tell me what is the eccentricity?
It's root 3
It will be
by
root 3.
root 3b by 2b.
Yes, cancel out this B.
2 by root 3?
Root 3 by 2.
Sorry, yeah. Root 3 by 2.
Okay. Root 3
Okay.
by 2. Is it clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Is there any other doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If a circle passes through,
What's the question?
it's from conic section,
Circle
sir.
passes through. Okay. A
The
circle
point.
passes through
The points
the point
0, 0,
to the point 0, 0,
a, 0,
a, 0,
0, b.
0, b.
Then find the coordinates of its center.
Find the center. Okay. We will find the center. Okay. So first of all, we will write the equation of the circle. What the equation? X minus h whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Similar type of question is there, I guess, in NCERT. Okay, so they are saying that the circle is passing through these points. So that means these points will satisfy the equation. So first of all, we will put this point in place of x and y. What you will get 0 minus h whole square plus 0 minus b whole square is equal to r square. So this will give you h square plus, this is what b, no, this is k. Plus k square is equal to r square. This clear?
Yes, sir.
Now put this point a comma 0 here. So you will get a minus h whole square plus 0 minus k whole square is equal to r square. A square, okay, this is h, a square plus h square minus 2ah plus k square is equal to r square. Let this be third. Now in place of h square plus k square, can we put r square from here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we will get a square minus 2h, and in place of h square plus r square, we will put a r square. So this will cancel out. So we will get a square minus 2ah is equal to 0. We need the value of h. What we will do, we can shift this a square is equal to 2ah, okay, and shift this 2a over here. So you get 2a is equal to h, and you will get h is equal to a by 2. Okay, similarly put 0 comma b here. Put 0 comma b. What you will get? 0 minus h whole square, b minus k whole square is equal to r square. So this you will get h square plus b square plus k square minus 2bk is equal to r square. So you get what? In place of h square, k square, again put r square. So you get a b square minus 2bk plus r square is equal to r square. Just cancel out. So k you get again b by 2. This clear, Yusra?
Yes, sir.
So what's the center?
A by 2, comma B by 2.
A by 2 and B by 2. Very good. Any other doubt? Yes, sir?
Yes, sir. One more question from permutation and combination. Sorry, sir, I'm taking so much time.
No, I'm not going to. Permutation and combination. Okay, please share your question.
Yes, sir. In a certain city,
In a certain city,
all the telephone numbers have 6 digits.
have 6 digits. Okay,
The first 2 digits
the first 2 digits
always begin with 41.
Okay, the first 2 always begin with 41.
Yes, 41.
Okay,
41.
okay,
Or 42
okay,
or 46
okay,
or 64
okay,
or 62.
okay.
How many telephone numbers
How many telephone numbers?
have all 6 digits distinct?
How many telephone numbers have 6 digits different? Have all 6 digits different? Okay, and digits are given.
No, sir. It's only this much.
Okay, only this question. In a certain city, all the telephone numbers have 6 digits. The first 2 always begin with 41, 42, 46. Or this, how many telephone numbers have all 6 digits different? Okay, so first of all, we will make a 6 digit. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now, this will begin with 41, 42, 46, 64, or 62. How many telephone numbers have all 6 digits different? Okay. So let me think. Okay. So we will try to find some case. We will take a first case so that we will get a hint from here. The first 2 always begin with 41. Okay. Now we have the 4 places. Okay, and how many digits are there? They are not specified in the question. That's why we will take 0 to 9. Okay, sir. Yusra, that's correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 digits we have already used, and as we need to find all the 6 digits different, so that means repetition is not allowed. Now we have the 4 places. Can you tell me this place have how many options?
4 factorial.
8. This have 8 options. 0 to 9 total are 10 digits.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
2 we have already used. So this are the 8 option, then 7 option, then 6 option, then 5 option. This correct?
Yes, sir.
So this case 1, we can multiply all this. Okay. Then make another case, second, where they are saying that start with 4, 2. Okay. So we again have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have 4, 2. So these 2 are fixed. This have only one option. Remaining these places, they again have 8, 7, 6, 5. Similarly, we will do for this, and for this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we will do, we will multiply this. This is 6, 5, 30 into 8 and 56. So this will give you 18, 1, 6, 0. Okay, so this case will give you 1680. Similarly, this will give you again 1680. So you need to add 5 times this 1680. This clear? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Any doubt, Yusra, in this?
So, sir, that's it we have to do in this.
Yes, only this one.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay,
So
any
I
other
have a
doubt?
question. How do we really know that? I couldn't really figure out that. How should we figure out that a particular question is of permutations or combinations, or if it's of both permutation and combination?
You should always think in this way that if you have a digit or anything, if you are interchanging their places, that if it does it affect your question. So for example, they're saying that we need to form telephone number. Okay, so think in this way. Okay, I have 2-3 digits, and if I interchange their places, so the telephone number is getting changed. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
we have suppose we have 3 digits, 2, 3, 1. If I interchange its places, anything happen? Yes, numbers are getting changed. So that means arrangement is affecting this question. So there's a question of permutation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, always thinking. Okay, and is there any other doubt?
Uh, 1 minute, sir. Yes, sir. One question from conic section.
From conic section.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me change this slide. Yes. Can you tell me a question?
Yes, sir.